Oh, what do we have here? The most disrespectful 18-year-old you will ever see. Caught stealing.
Go ahead.
And she put everything in bags too? I know you lie. Damn, that hallway. I mean, that office long as hell.
Thank you, ma'am. The other party's still playing?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen this part of Walmart before.
Right now, okay? Ma'am?
What?
Do not be on your phone right now. You're paying, okay?
If I forgot to scan some shit, if you need me to rescan this shit, I'll rescan shit. Like, what?
I'm not really sure why you're yelling at me. I'm just asking you not to be on your phone. That's all.
And my blood sugars is low.
Well,
So if I
Well, you making it go lower by using all that energy to be disrespectful.
pass out in this bitch, it's because y'all.
okay, we will call an ambulance for you, okay?
You don't need to call an ambulance for me.
Well, do you need one?
just a simple
Do you
fact.
need an ambulance?
It's just a simple fact.
Do you need an ambulance? Okay, well, if you don't need to talk anymore and do not be on your phone. Otherwise, I'm going to put you in handcuffs right now, okay?
What is it that you want?
Okay.
Just to shut up, because you annoying me right now. Hell, you opened your mouth for 5 seconds.
You already know why we're here.
Okay, if I forgot to
I asked you to be off your phone. I don't
Okay,
need
and I'm
anything.
off my phone. Don't raise your voice at me.
Really?
Yeah, really. Because I'm off my phone. You don't see me on my phone no more, so don't raise your voice at me and tell me that you told me to
I don't
get
need
off
the
my
whole
phone.
story behind
Okay, I
it.
don't give a what you need. Fuck is you talking about?
Are you done?
Bitch,
Do
you
you
done?
need
A hit dog gonna always holler.
Do you need ambulance?
What do you want?
Do you need ambulance?
Did you go to the receipt?
Do you need ambulance? But you said something about your...
high.
Okay, then you find it.
Girl, shut the fuck up. How you gonna tell me?
I'm just did. And get off your phone,
It's
please.
not a phone. It's for my blood sugar so I can see what my blood sugars are. Is that a problem?
Yes, it is.
No,
I'm gonna
it's
get you
not.
an
It's not a
ambulance if
cell
you need
phone.
one.
It's not a cell phone.
I'm
I
gonna
need to
need
see.
you-
I need to see how long
I'm
my blood
going
That look like an iPhone to me.
to make... I'm
Girl,
gonna call
it's
an
not a
ambulance.
cell phone. I cannot make no calls on here. It's not a cell phone. I'm trying to see what my blood sugars are. The I worked before I can see
Your
how my
blood sugar was just... Okay.
How is she diabetic and acting like this?
My blood sugar's not this far. My blood sugar's dropping the whole time I'm in the fucking here. Like, what the fuck?
Okay,
And
because
bitch,
you
shut
got
my
caught.
background how you want to.
Her blood sugar dropping because she got caught.
Okay.
So basically, y'all can take all my items I just paid for.
No, we're gonna take the items that did.
Okay, well take this shit. I am high.
Don't even talk to her because she's already having an
Like
attitude,
what?
so...
You need my ID back now?
No, I'm not gonna give you your ID back. This is not gonna be how you want it to be.
Okay, but you're not gonna be just coming up to me any type of fucking way and then tell me to
I mean, you was streaming. I mean, not streaming. You was stealing. What the fuck you thought was gonna happen? They was gonna be all nice and cater to you and say, you know what, you can steal. It's okay.
get the fuck off my phone. Bitch, who are you?
Because I'm telling you, you cannot
Okay,
be on
bitch,
your
I
phone.
can pick up my phone anytime I want to. Bitch, you don't pay my bill.
I'll be on your phone
You
at
don't
the
pay my
moment.
bill. You don't pay my bill. You don't pay my bill.
Well, obviously you
You
don't
don't
pay
pay
your
my bill.
bills too either, do you?
You don't pay my bill, bitch. You don't pay my
Do
bill.
you?
You don't pay my bill, bitch.
Ooh, Lord, I can only imagine how she is at home.
You don't pay my bill. Look at my face, ho.
Well, I'm glad I
I
don't.
got thousands of money on my fucking lead card, bitch. So,
Oh,
You don't?
Okay.
Obviously, you don't if you stealing.
You got something to be proud of, don't
Oh,
you?
okay. So you trying to shut the fuck up.
We
I
have
run
to
out.
go through it.
Okay, well, go do the shit then. Go do the shit.
We're trying to.
Fuck, move faster. What you talking about? Bitch, y'all got me sitting in this bitch.
1000.
Yes, bitch, what up? Oil. Cooking oil.
I'm down with this.
No, I am high. Like, y'all not understanding. Y'all not listening. Like, I am high and my blood sugar is low. Well, clearly you're not. You're not moving fast enough.
This is
Clearly.
all preventable. 100.
Boy, preventable my asshole. What you talking about?
It's really hard to be doing this when you're talking.
Thank you. 3004.
Thank you, my ass. Move faster, ho. What are you talking about?
I'm moving a lot slower right now.
If you move a lot slower, I'm gonna pick my motherfucking phone back up. So how y'all wanna play it?
Excuse me.
Don't touch my shit. Girl, don't touch my stuff. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Yeah, take her ass to jail. Do not pass go. Do not collect 100 because her mouth is just She would get 800 milligram ibuprofen a headache, bro.
All I'm doing is putting my phone in my
Put your
pocket.
hands behind your back. You're under arrest, and you're gonna be charged with.
I love that accent. What is she? German, Russian? What is it?
What's this thing?
For what?
We don't have.
All
I'm done.
I'm doing, like, girl.
Like Arnold Schwarzenegger's sister became a cop. Her daughter.
And you are now charged with a.
Congratulations, bitch.
Yeah, congratulations. Now you're gonna sit in jail till tomorrow. I said that's enough.
Well, I'm not even resisting. Like, why are you doing all this? Like, what the
Her hair was in the way.
fuck? Bitch, you do not have to do all that shit. Dirty
No,
asshole.
congratulations to
Girl,
you too.
hey, now let me go so I can sit the fuck down. They be touching my shit. Like, girl. Is you done? The fuck? Is you done? Is you motherfucking done?
Are you?
Is you done? That shit not hurt me, bitch. Is you done? Is you done? Is you done? Is you done? Is you motherfucking done, bitch? Get the fuck off me. Fuck? All you gotta do is take the shit out of my pocket. You don't got a man handle me, hoe.
This ain't your world. You can't have it your way. The fuck? She can do whatever she want to you. I mean, not like that, but you know, if she got to search your pockets, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is, shot. You put yourself in a predicament.
You said you going that shit in my face. What?
Are you done?
Girl, if you don't unhand me, bitch.
Then what's gonna happen?
Unhand me, hoe. I'ma show you, bitch. Unhand me, hoe. I'ma show you, bitch. Unhand me, hoe. I'ma show you, bitch. That's what I thought. Scary asshole.
You ready to sit down?
Girl, you started talking to me like just sit me the fuck down. And then you got all this shit tight as on me.
Good. Hopefully it ain't comfortable.
In my pocket. Ain't shit else. Bitch, I don't have nothing on me. Like, damn, you do not have to fucking touch me, pat me down. The fuck, you got these handcuffs tight as a bitch. Okay, girl, ain't nothing on me. Fuck. God. And then you got these bitches tight as shit. Can you sit me down? Like, damn.
As soon as you come down.
I am calm, but you steady you got these handcuffs tight. It's like, what the hell?
Because I can't double lock him because you're moving.
Okay, I don't care.
You gotta care because you could have been sitting down by now if you would have just shut the fuck up.
Damn.
So as soon as you stop moving and
I'm
yelling.
not moving. I'm literally, okay, so I can't do this? Like, what the fuck is the problem?
I mean, 3-year-old me relates to her so much.
Oh my God.
Oh, so much.
On my side, and I catch you out there with a uniform. What you talking about? Bitch, I see you in the street, but you don't. You don't. What you talking about?
And we threatening the cop.
Make some more threats because you're surely not going to get out of jail for a couple, actually till Monday.
You lame as hell for that. Like, what?
Oh, since you're making
But
threats.
all you had to do was pull up and say, like,
All you had to do is shut your mouth.
what?
How about
Bitch,
that?
I'm gonna keep talking.
See, you're making threats. You're going to sit in jail till Monday.
You steady tighten these motherfuckers.
I can put my fingers in there.
Like, put
Have
my
a seat.
fingers in my
Yeah.
ass. My wrist is stop fucking touching me, bitch. And it's not my key, so you can go give it.
I don't care whose keys are those. They're in your possession.
Okay, look, can you like get at least?
No,
go
we
tell me,
cannot.
Like, what the fuck? I'm not gonna go nowhere. I'm sitting right here. You have me right here. I'm not
Okay.
going nowhere. Like, what
Do she ever shut up?
the hell?
What else we can do for you?
You can kiss my black ass, bitch. That's what you can do for
Well,
me.
that's not gonna happen.
But I'm hoes like you.
That's not gonna happen.
I didn't say I was.
On your best day.
I did not say I was.
On your best day,
I
it's
didn't
not
say I was
gonna
gonna steal you, bitch. That's not what I said. You heard what I said, ho. Why are y'all holding me? Like, is you gonna call the police and put me in the back of your car and take me where you taking me? Like, I'm hot as I'm not gonna keep sitting here.
We're going through the groceries right now.
I would have just made her wait for another hour just for GP.
Well, you're already under arrest, so don't worry about it.
Okay, so hurry the f*** up, bitch!
It's not gonna get any.
You! Kiss my ass!
Okay.
What you talking about?
Okay.
Bitch, you either gonna get me the f*** out of here or you gonna get me the f*** up out of here. I'm not gonna keep sitting in a small ass room and I'm hot. I am hot.
Okay. Well, we're gonna be sitting here until you come down.
I would make her sit as long as I could.
Big time. Like, I'm hot. My blood sugars is low. I'm come on now.
903,
What are you talking about? Just like I said, wait till Monday. Monday, I'm still gonna get out. Like, what the f***? I don't have no background. What are you talking about? But you thought you ate that little one?
With that mouth, I'm surprised.
I don't have none of my diabetic supplies. So what the f***? How long long you think I'm gonna sit
They
in
have
there?
nurses
They
there.
don't have shit there, bitch. I'm talking to you.
Okay.
She said they got nurses there.
Well, you would know better, right?
Girl, shut the
6,
fuck
7,
up.
and 2.
I clearly just said I never been in jail. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Name is I'm like, so if I have a bond, I'm getting the out. Like, that's what you're
You
not
don't have a bond.
bond my ass. You gonna get out regardless. Like, you lame
I'm gonna be
as fuck.
code 30 with one at Walmart, and I'm gonna need one for transport, please.
0001.
Them got scammed. Like, come on, man. Stop playing with me.
We have to go to the whole card.
Okay, I am hot. That's what y'all not getting. Like, my blood sugar is low as I'm shaky as hell. None of y'all got diabetes, bitch. So you don't know where the fuck that's coming from. What you talking about?
Do you need ambulance?
That's not gonna make nobody feel sorry for you. Just to throw that out there, like acting crazy, talking loud, being disrespectful, cursing at everybody, saying bitch this, that, all that. Like it's not gonna get you anywhere, right? It's just gonna make your life way harder than it has to be.
And then you moving slow as fuck on purpose, bitch. I know you is. You moving slow as hell on purpose.
She can't hear.
Boy, shut the fuck up talking with your big ass. Bitch, I know what time you get up. I worked here before. Play safe.
That's another threat. Wow.
Damn, you just gonna threaten everybody, huh?
Oh, congratulations, bitch. Count them. Count them, ho. Count them.
I'm counting.
I done seen your ass plenty of times in the street, bitch.
I'm counting.
Keep counting. How many numbers you at?
Watermelon 8067.
So you dead ass gonna keep me sitting right here while y'all go through all these items?
That's what happened when you steal, dummy.
0816.
Girl. If I pass out in this bitch, I'm suing y'all. You know that now.
Would you like an
Because I
ambulance?
told you multiple times, an ambulance ain't gonna do shit, bitch.
3230.
Would you like
What
an
the
ambulance?
What the fuck ambulance gonna do? What do they have in the ambulance that's gonna help me?
Would
Bitch,
you
I don't
like
have
an-
no sweets. I don't have no glucose tablets, bitch. None of that. They don't
This
have
is a
shit.
very simple
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Okay, that means no, I guess.
Simple question, my asshole.
How do you sleep at night with a mouth so filthy? Oh my gosh.
Suck my asshole, bitch.
49, 47.
And then like you dead ass moving slow as fuck. I'm finna get pissed. Like I'm finna get pissed. I'm really finna get pissed the fuck off. I'ma fuck this shit up on myself. I'm already being that bitch till Monday, so I'ma fuck this shit up. Girl, do what you gotta do, baby. I'm not scared of you. Do what the fuck you
I
gotta
will.
do. Do it. Do it, bitch.
Not right now.
Do it,
I don't
bitch.
have to.
Do it, bitch.
Not yet.
That's what I thought, scary asshole. Scary ass. Fuck, I ain't scared of shit. You know how many times I've been tased, bitch?
2236.
Try me, bitch. Try me.
How many times have you been tased? Cause did it shut you up?
Try me. Try me. Oh, okay. What are you talking about, dirty ass? Bull, bitch. What are you looking at? You think I'm sexy? You do want to suck my asshole, huh? I thought so. You can suck the shit out this motherfucker, bitch.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, goodness. What rules?
9050
You ain't never been a bitch with a mouth like me, huh? Come on now, he's not loose at all. You got these bitches tight as hell. Like, come on now.
Would they have for comfort?
Look at her face.
Don't worry about it. I just made it for comfort. Don't even worry about it. But
3366.
I really can slip my hands out of this motherfucker's butt because I'm sweaty. But
Well, that means they're not very tight then. You just
girl,
admit.
I just said I'm sweating. Did you not just hear me, bitch? Sweat is gonna loosen some shit up. What are you talking about?
No, it will not.
Girl, shut the f up.
Not a metal
Shut
handcuff.
up, bitch.
What you part pig or something? Bacon grease? Like how's the sweat gonna loosen it up?
Shut up.
Yeah, 2896.
I'm trying to get my keys, my car keys from her.
Can she have your car keys?
Yes, bitch, now give them to her.
No, she's gonna go to jail, so you guys can leave.
Girl, okay, that's fine. She said I don't give a
Have a good night.
Hey, Nancy.
She can go straight to the car. I don't dial her mouth.
Thank you.
I'm gonna write everything up. Okay.
Excuse me, bitch.
That's not nice.
I don't give a
Don't start with me though. I mean,
I'm not starting nothing with you.
no. You
I don't
misunderstood me.
care. I don't care. Fuck, I don't give
I'm
a
not
fuck.
her, so you
Okay,
shouldn't
okay. I said he talking. I just
Okay.
said I will f all y'all up. I don't give no f. That's what you're not getting.
Okay.
What the hell is he doing with a tent outside Walmart? What's going on?
What are you talking about? And this dirty bitch steady following me. Like, I don't have no problem with you, but her, she gotta go. Like, bitch, what are you?
This is our job.
I don't give a f. She gotta go.
632.
And don't touch my head, because I know how to get in here myself.
Secure. works on your status? Can you show me today?
What's that?
Watch me say. Give me time. They said that.
You just what? That's not something to brag on.
She been searched.
Huh?
She been searched.
I don't have no.
Thank you.
Does she have a phone in there? She have a phone?
I'm gonna bring it.
Chill out.
No, I'm not gonna chill out.
Chill out.
I'm not, because I told her multiple times my blood sugar is low. I'm shaky, I'm hot, and I'm tired. Like, what the
It's probably because you're agitated. She's going
No,
through some stuff
my
right
blood
now.
sugar, no. That bitch wanted to do that shit because she wanted to do that shit. Like, what?
Okay.
I didn't do shit. Like, come on now.
Life is full of choices, and you made yours
Hey,
today.
I don't care. I didn't even know. The bitch came over multiple times. If
Okay.
nothing got ripped up, she could have said that. Like, what? I was being polite as with that bitch. Like, I didn't get lippy until she started manhandling me. But y'all thinking then she tried to
Man, you was lippy the whole time. Like if we just keeping it a bean, like you disrespected that lady from the time you walked in.
tase me, bitch. I wish you would tase me for no reason, bitch. I promise you, you dying. I'm just fuck.
Well, that's not nice.
I don't care.
I know, you keep
I'm
saying
only
that.
18. I don't give a f. You don't have to treat me like that, bitch. I just turned 18 this year. Like, what? Come on now, stop talking to me.
It's not a great start.
The suspect was charged with retail theft, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. This was her first time being arrested as an adult. She took a plea deal and pled guilty to retail theft, with the other charges being dropped. She was sentenced to probation and ordered to pay a fine of $700 for this arrest.
Oh, that ain't shit.
Drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.